Field surveyors are essential in collecting precise data and information for a variety of objectives. Mahipalpur is one such region in the bustling city of Delhi where field surveyors are in high demand. Mahipalpur is a significant center for commerce and habitation in Delhi South. It draws a lot of investment and development due to its closeness to the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Field surveyors are hired to evaluate and gather information on the current infrastructure, land use patterns, and other pertinent elements in order to guarantee that the development projects in Mahipalpur are carried out effectively. In Mahipalpur, field surveyors are in charge of carrying out surveys in both urban and rural regions. They employ a variety of methods, including GPS technology and cutting-edge surveying tools. In order to obtain correct data and information for a variety of purposes, field surveyors are essential. Mahipalpur is one such region in Delhi's bustling city where field surveyors are much sought after. Mahipalpur is a significant center for commerce and habitation and is situated in the southern region of Delhi. It draws a substantial amount of investment and development because of its close proximity to the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Field surveyors are used to evaluate and gather data on the current infrastructure, land use patterns, and other pertinent elements in Mahipalpur to guarantee that development initiatives are carried out effectively. Both urban and rural areas in Mahipalpur are subject to surveys, which are carried out by field surveyors. They employ a number of strategies, including GPS technology and sophisticated surveying tools, too. Accurate data and information are essential for a variety of purposes, and field surveyors are essential in this process. Mahipalpur is one such location where field surveyors are in high demand in the bustling city of Delhi. A significant residential and commercial center is Mahipalpur, which is situated in the southern region of Delhi. Due to its close proximity to Indira Gandhi International Airport, it draws a lot of investment and development. Field surveyors are used to evaluate and gather information on the existing infrastructure, land use patterns, and other pertinent elements in Mahipalpur in order to guarantee that the development projects are carried out effectively. The task of performing surveys in both urban and rural regions falls to field surveyors in Mahipalpur. They employ a variety of methods, including GPS technology.